There's hundreds of outfitters out there. Why should people go on a trip with them, Chris?
I've got two answers for that. One is, I know the thought, care, and the attention goes into this. This feels like a lofty statement, but it's the way I think about it. How can this be one of the experiences that when somebody gets nearly into their life, they reflect on and think, God, that was an important time in my life. And the second is, I haven't experienced, and I'm sure there are, I just haven't experienced some two people who care as deeply as we do.
So I'm always asking myself this exact question, Brian, and therefore I keep tabs on everything else that's happening around the world. And I can say this with confidence that I haven't found anything that comes remotely close in terms of delivering what you say you will. There's a lot of people that market certain stuff, but having spoken to people that have been on both, that they've come away with us and other things, we hear very different stories, and that for me gives me a lot of confidence that just follow through, do what you say you're going to do, and eventually word will spread. And from my perspective, that's, you don't need to do any more. You know, there are obviously people that I consider competitors, but it's just not the same. It's just very different. And also the dynamic between two, like when we set this up, Chris said, well, statistically, things that achieve are led by one person. And I disagree with that, because I think people resonate with different people at different times for different reasons. And if we have two, that enhances the possibilities that there might be some resonating between different people, you know, like you might resonate with Chris more and blah, 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 blah. So you're just presenting more options for people with that specific set time. Whereas if you go away with someone who's like one leader and just like, I don't resonate with this person, it's kind of game over.